In this video, I will show with you how to log in Banco Credicoop step by step. So follow me in this video guide. Go to Google, search for Banco Credicoop, log in, click on log in. As you can see here, when you click on this keyword, you will see this page. From here, just click the first website, click on this one option. You will see this page. Click access this one first option here on the top right corner. Choose this one for people. As you can see here, choose an option, and then you will see login page. Click on this icon, click the first one. You will redirect it to login page. From here, just await to see this page. So just await, and then you will log in successfully with your own information. So friends, from here you can access your credit bank with your own details, such your ID and as you can see here, choose your username here, and then choose your identity here, documentations key, and then click login here. And then you can also access from here, friends, as you can see here on this option, write your documentations, write your all details such your username and password, and then click login. You can also download this app, Banco Credicoop app, on Google Play or App Store. After download this app, you can successfully log in with your own information just like this. I hope this guide helpful for you. Friends, don't forget to give like and share this video.